Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new tutorial for our princess collection. With this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make Princess Jazmín. I'm going to show you in this first part the materials that we will use and the tutorials you must see before continuing to the second part. This princess is about 29 centimeters. You can see. In the description of this video, I shared a link to make the base body. I used with color yarn for her skin, approximately 66 grams. We will use black color, approximately 90 grams, white and brown color for her eyes. Ten millimeter safety eyes, or the size that you prefer is okay. A silicone tube, one centimeter in diameter, and never less than 14 centimeters long. Stuffed, blush for her cheeks, we will need aqua color, and gold color. 2.5 millimeters hook. We will need scissors, wool needles, pins. This is all the material that we will need for Princess Jazmín. I hope you want to do it. In the next video, we will make her hair. See you next time. Bye bye.